Hi everyone, welcome to ETHDenver 2022 Hacker Application Tutorial. First, you need to register an account with DoraHacks. It is required that every team has at least 2 people and each one of you should create your own account. There are 3 main ways to register, either with your crypto wallet, email address, or your GitHub account. Once you're registered, go to the Hackathon tab and choose ETHDenver event. Arriving the page, you will see the application entry. However, if you have any doubt, ensure to check out the application guide. Also, make sure you're familiar with ETHDenver's hackathon tracks and the bounties options. If you're new here, you will have to create a new BUIDL, and I'll show you how. Here, make sure you're answering all the required questions that are marked with asterisks. Choose ETHDenver for project submission, share your project vision and description. Please provide as much information as possible to help other attendees and judges better understand your projects. Please upload the team banner or logo in the recommended size and provide us with a valid Discord account for reach out. Now moving on to the team section, every team member has to register an account with DoraHacks to be included in the application. Search for your teammates by typing in their emails. Please don't forget to fill out your team description as well. Finally, share any social media links relevant to your project. Please provide only one URL for each section and no text is in the column. The website should direct you back to the ETHDenver application form where you can add your newly created BUIDL and select the track and bounties you want to apply for. Then go to ETHDenver's official Discord and verify your team in the team verification channel. Comment down your team or BUIDL's name and write down your registered email address. The DoraHacks team will soon verify your submission by reacting an emoji on your message. Going back to your profile, you can edit the details of your application. Please only edit your projects when you need to change important information such as modifying applied bounties or adding new teammates. If you want to share any relevant progress updates, please use the milestone section of your project. I'll see you guys in Denver. Bye bye.